Hello, I'm Jackie Carter, Worldwide Outer Nutrition Product Trainer at Herbalife. Welcome to your 7 steps to better skincare. The largest organ of your body, your skin, deserves some special attention. Moisturizing your skin daily is essential to keep it hydrated and to lock in moisture. Apply a moisturizer with a built-in SPF during the day to protect your skin from sun damage. Choosing body care products that contain botanical ingredients and vitamins will revive your skin's appearance, leaving it noticeably smoother and softer. Because of its skin-soothing benefits, aloe vera has been used for centuries. Shea butter improves skin elasticity and helps retain moisture in the skin. Shea butter is also high in linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid that's great for your skin. Olive oil is a valuable oil for skin and hair care. Olive oil contains a high level of antioxidant vitamin E that moisturizes, protects, and nourishes. Chamomile extract has soothing, comforting, and cleansing properties, perfect for dry, itchy, or sensitive skin. The Herbal Aloe range combines all of these fantastic ingredients. Free from parabens and sulfates, it's gentle enough for everyone, every day. With a fresh, clean scent, top notes of refreshing lemon blossom and honeydew, not only will your skin feel great, you'll smell gorgeous too. I'm Jackie Carter. Thanks for watching the 7 Steps to Better Skincare Guide.